First off, I want to give a huge shout out to every single individual who entered my rap contest to win an unlimited lease to my dojo beat, along with one of these lyrically dope t-shirts that's going to be dropping next week, along with some more really cool designs. I received over 50 submissions, and I'm going to be announcing the 3 winners in next week's video, so stay tuned. And in today's video, I'm going to be showing you the 3 ways that rappers fill in every single bar. And this is going to reveal the method that you tend to use by default, while also opening up your mind to other methods that you may not potentially use right now, which will make your rap flow so much more versatile and fluid. For all of today's examples, I'm going to be rapping a verse that I wrote over a beat that I produced called Showtime. And if you like this beat and you want to support me in the channel, I'll post a link to my beat store in the video's description below. Now, the first method that I'm going to share with you is the most common out of the 3, and this is the one that most rappers tend to use by default, and that's by using density. Simply put, every single syllable that you rap is a rhythmic music note, such as 16th notes and 32nd notes. And the more of these that you use per bar, the more dense your bars will be. Now check out these 4 bars that I wrote, which is primarily filled in with these orange 16th notes with a few lime green 32nd notes sprinkled in as well. Let's check it out. I've been known to teach a little, give it to you straight with no riddles, no strings attached, never asking for anything back that's official. Yes, I am lyrically dope, been murking beats ever since middle school. Don't forget the name Cole, ask Jay, he'll tell you we're pivotal. Now, the second way that we fill in bars is by using something known as sustain. And as I stated earlier, every syllable is a rhythmic music note, but every syllable is not the same length. When using sustain, we use longer notes, such as 8th notes and quarter notes, to give more space to syllables that need to be stressed in order to be understood clearly. But we also use sustain to exaggerate the stress of a syllable longer than usual. Now here's another 4 bars that I wrote, and notice how I'm using fewer syllables because I'm using more green 8th notes to fill in my bars. Let's check it out. To the rap game, not for some whack fame or some green paper, but to enact change. Blasting these plastic rappers, fake names, fake chains, rented mansions, least strange. And the final method that we use to fill in our bars is one that rappers tend to use the least by default, and that's using pauses. Pausing isn't just for breathing. Pauses are also a very important part of the cadence patterns that we use as well that make up our overall rap flow. Now pay attention to these 4 bars of lyrics and notice all the blue pauses that are filling in most of the first beat of each bar. Yes, pauses fill in space as well. Let's check it out. But I get it, you gotta fake it before you make it. Paying these models to grind on you half naked. Selling your people poison to get a paycheck. You should open up your soul because I think it's vacant. Now let's listen back to everything at once and pay attention to how all 3 of these techniques are impacting the feeling of my overall rap flow. Let's check it out. I've been known to teach a little, give it to you straight with no riddles, no strings attached, never asking for anything back that's official. Yes, I am lyrically dope, been murking beats ever since middle school. Don't forget the name Cole, ask Jay, he'll tell you we're pivotal. To the rap game, not for some whack fame or some green paper, but to enact change. Blasting these plastic rappers, fake names, fake chains, rented mansions, least strange. But I get it, you gotta fake it before you make it. Paying these models to grind on you half naked. Selling your people poison to get a paycheck. You should open up your soul because I think it's vacant. Now, I'm curious to know, have you already been using all 3 of these methods? And if not, which one has been missing in your arsenal? And if you're wanting to dig even deeper into perfecting your rap flow, stay tuned because I'm about to drop a game-changing rap course that's going to help you take your rap flow to a whole nother level. And if you're watching this in the future, I'll be sure to post a link to it in the video's description below. My name is ColeMize with ColeMizeStudios.com, where I strive to make you a better rapper now. And if you're trying to perfect your rap skills, make sure that you get yourself a free copy of my ebook, The #1 Fundamental to Rapping, via the link in the video's description below, and subscribe to this channel for more straight to the point, no BS, how to rap video tutorials just like this one. And always remember, when it comes to rapping, there's no rules, there's only techniques. Peace.
Hey man, you see that subscribe button right there? Kill it, kill it, kill it, kill it, kill it, kill it, kill it. Oh, and don't forget the bell icon. Kill it, kill it, kill it, kill it, kill it, kill it, kill it. Hey, I know you see that like button, right? Kill it, kill it, kill it, kill it, kill it, kill it, kill it. And look at yourself in the mirror and tell yourself, today I'm gonna kill it, kill it.